Good afternoon. This is Julie. It is Tuesday, October 2nd, and there are lots of news. I mean, I don't even know where to start with the news, but this morning Amazon tweeted out that it was raising the minimum wage for workers in the United States, everyone, including temps, to $15 an hour. So the minimum wage for everyone, including temps, $15 an hour. But, as you boil this down, you've got to realize that they probably need these people in their warehouses to get through this huge Santa Claus rally spending spree that they're expecting because everybody's flush right now. And then after that, we'll see how the jobs get eliminated as automation kicks in and they revert to robots. Then no longer will they have people picking the items in the distribution center. It will all be mechanical. So they're raising the rates right before they sack these people. I don't know. So keep an eye on that. Tom Petty today, 1 year, rest in peace. And the other bit of news was earlier today, Fed Chairman Powell calls the United States economy extraordinary and almost too good to be true. They're standing by their forecast that unemployment will stay below 4% through 2020 and inflation will remain low. This hasn't happened before in modern U.S. history. So we've got a situation where there are more jobs available than there are people looking for jobs. So that's fantastic. Also, growth came in at 4%, 4.2 in the Q2. Q3 is looking very good also. So, well within the threes. And then we should have everybody's expecting a blowout fourth. So the North American Mexico Canada agreement, USA, is fantastic. They're working on the EU, Japan, and China agreements. Hopefully they'll get those worked out. And if we can get the state of New York stopping all of the lawsuits they intend to file against the poor man. I mean, the guy comes along and literally saves the world financially, and all they want to do is sue him because he won the election. um, so we'll never get anyone to run for office again after all of this. It's just horrible. So here we go with the charts. The NQ really won't be in play until tomorrow with the ISM manufacturing report numbers that are coming out, and that should kickstart the NQ up or down for the month. But this chart template that I'm using, I just cannot tell you how happy I am with it. It really helps. It's like having some bands here to trade to, and trading these breakouts when they occur has been very helpful. Not really much to do with with NQ today, just a little down and flat. But we're holding our pattern until the ISM non-manufacturing comes out. Here's a 10 tick Unirinco. So you can see that you do have some good trades when the setup occurs. And again, all along that band, walking the band, working that band long and short, and waiting for these breakout opportunities. So that's the cues. Let's take a look at gold. Thanks to Gary for spotting that in the room this morning. We were able to jump on the tail end of it. Gold actually did settle right where my line in the sand was from that daily chart, right above 1212. So did manage to get up there and then pull back to the second band, but this breakout above the bands, this is what is nirvana for me and my trading. So this is what I concentrate on finding, long or short. When this opportunity presents itself, that's exactly when you want to be in the market looking for these trades, and it's leaving this first cloud, and then again, if you leave the second cloud also, that's when you want to be throwing in a couple of extra contracts if you can, for short profits, or trading to a level like the R3s. So that worked out really good. Let me show you the smaller time frame, 3-minute chart. Again, you had a nice breakout, and it never looked back. It did go outside the level and then pulled back to the inner band, walked that line up to your top line, and then rolled over. So I'm just really getting used to this price action as the momentum falls, and then when it rolls over, the move's pretty much over for the day. And here we are on our 10-tick chart. So there's the rollover, and here is the move up. Oh, this is NQ, I'm sorry. Did not look right. Here we go. It looks better. So here's the breakout, and then the rollover. And it did roll over also flat, coming back down to the longer term moving average. Didn't quite make it down there. So be looking for more positive price action in the metals. And crude had a great day Monday, turned flat today. But this breakout on Monday, again, what you're looking for, once it starts leaving this first cloud and gets on top of that level, especially trading all those closes outside of it, just grab them. It's like gold. Bring it down on your lower time frame. Here's the 3-minute. So we can get this scrolled over. There it is. Big breakout, and then it walked up the line. And you can see how it comes back in. The LR1 holds a trade, and then again, once it left the LR4, that's when you would go in for that second opportunity. Another 50 ticks. Okay, so that about wraps it up. Again, I'm looking for big day tomorrow, ISM non-manufacturing, crude oil inventories. There's a payroll number at 7:30 also. And then Friday, we've got non-farm employment. So come see us in the trade room, or make sure to pay attention. We're having another big event, Shark Indicators webinar, on October 17th. And I'll be releasing these templates at that time, if not a few days before. Thank you so much.